Loud chit-chats along classroom hallways, screams and shout of excitement are what is expected for every first day of class. But after the pandemic hit the academe, it changed for some. Teacher-student interaction is one of the main challenges upon the start of face-to-face classes in some schools in Cebu today, March 28, 2022. As early as 7 a.m., school gates were opened to welcome students back in their usual school environment before the COVID-19 pandemic hit the country. Today, it was observed by some school heads and teachers that students might still take time to adjust from their online and modular classes to face-to-face learning.
Sa ako na-observe mo, nag-round mong siya at first period. Ilumon kayo ang mga estudyante nga halos na lang di pa mutingog. Kaya mabalo mig encourage. No, ako na sa akong klase manggod third period. Kaya panikamutan ako nga kanapitong friendly environment ang ilahang isudlan ng classroom. Malingaw lang sila na apoy makatawag ta para maka-feel po sila nga kami po giningaw na po nila.
This is one of the observation of the principal of Kansuhe National High School, Dr. Orlinda Chavez. Their school is one of the public schools in the province that we checked upon today's school opening. Kansuhe National High School is located at the mountainous barangay in the municipality of Argao. On the part of the educators, Banilad Elementary School Principal Joanne Marie was not able to contain her emotions during the first day of classes. Marie described the interaction with students as surreal. She was very ecstatic to hear the voices and see her students smile face-to-face and no longer in computer screens.
Kanang grade 1 teacher man good ko ma'am when I was a teacher.
Sige ma'am, sige.
Sir ko alam uso sir ko pa nga.
Okay lang.
Kuan ka nang murag happy lang jud ko ba nga nakakita sa mga bata. Kay pila ba ya ka years nga wala jud bata no nya murag mingaw na jud ang school.
Like other public schools, additional safety and health protocols were put into place for the start of classes. Upon entering the school grounds, students and faculty members must do the general hand washing near the gate area. They will then proceed to the triad for temperature check. Assembly area for the first day was also prepared to guide and direct the students inside the campus. And before going inside the classroom, lavatories are also in place for hand washing. Each student is also assigned with a code for easier identification and monitoring. DepEd 7 Regional Director Celestiano Jimenez said that around 585 schools are implementing a progressive expansion of limited face-to-face classes around Central Visayas. The majority of the schools were from Cebu, given that it has 10 divisions, Negros Oriental with 7, 2 in Bohol, and 1 in Siquijor.
Because our direction in Central Visayas Department of Education is more on 100% implementation of the progressive expansion phase sa atong limited face-to-face. So nalipay ko kay ay ang akong target nga 100% murag dako kaayo og chance no nga matuman gyud.
This has been Mariel Therese Deocampo, my TV Cebu's intern.